Hello students, in today's video I will talk about the articles a, and the. Remember that a and an is when we're talking about singular, when we talk about just one object. And the, it can be for singular and plural as well. Okay, now let's see when do we use the article a. And we say that we use the article a when we mention something for the first time. And also when we use a before a consonant sound. Let's see some examples. Okay, I bought a t-shirt yesterday. In this case, we use a because we're mentioning something for the first time. They need a new book. There is a university next to a hospital. I have a white cup. As you can see, the article a is before a consonant sound. A t-shirt, a new book, a university, a hospital, a white cup. Let's see this case in number 3. Um, as you can see, there is a vowel here, but this vowel doesn't sound like a vowel. It sounds like university. So it's not university, it's university. That's why we use a. Now let's see the other case. The article n. We use n when we mention something for the first time, exactly like the article a. But this is different because we're going to use an before a vowel sound. Let's see examples. An hour has 60 minutes. Okay, we use an because in this case, hour, letter H doesn't sound, it's mute, it's silent. Number 2, I need an eraser and an apple. In this case, we're using here an because eraser has a vowel sound and also apple. She has a notebook and an English book. English, it has a vowel sound. Then a house is better than an apartment. Apartment has a vowel sound. Okay, let's see the article D. We use the article the or the when we mention something for the second time or when we have already mentioned something with um, in that case we use the or the, and the pronunciation is going to be different if we have consonant sounds and vowel sounds. If we have vowel sounds, we are going to say the apple, the eraser. But we're going to say the when we have consonant sounds, the book, the notebook, and so on. Let's see example. We have 2. I bought a t-shirt. I'm wearing the t-shirt now. Okay, in this case, in this example, I am using the because we already mentioned we use a in the first sentence. So the object, in this case, the t-shirt, uh, is already mentioned in the first sentence. So in this case, is used as the second time. And remember, we say the t-shirt because this noun has a consonant sound. Then I have an English book. The English book is yellow. The object is already mentioned, so then we use the. or in this case D, because we have a vowel sound, English book. Okay, and in what cases we don't use the article D? Okay, we don't use the article D with words like technology, smartphones. For example, I say, I love technology. We don't say, I love that technology. No, we say, I love technology. And also, I love smartphones. Also, we don't use the article the or that before names. That's impossible. And also, we don't use the articles before home. We say at home. We don't say at the home. We say in the school or at school. We don't use the article in this case. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.